Hello guys, good morning. Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. I'm really sorry about what happened yesterday. My network was really terrible yesterday and I'm so sorry about that. I'm so sorry about that. I'll have to do the top-down analysis today. Starting from the monthly down to the 4 hours. I have to do the top-down analysis both on Euro USD, DXY, NAS 100, US 30, and of course, I'll be looking at Bitcoin today. So let's just go straight to action. We're not waiting for anybody again. I'll be sharing my screen now. Okay, so I have to remove all drawing. Now, this is a monthly chart on dollar index. This is a monthly chart on dollar index. As you can see, price is reacting up from this monthly fair value gap here, which is a strong internal range liquidity. This strong internal range liquidity, this monthly fair value gap. I need to make this line straight. Okay. What else can I see here? I can see this sell stop liquidity here, right? Resting sell stop liquidity resting below here. So going down to the weekly time frame. Now, weekly time frame, last week closed below our monthly fair value gap, right? So I don't really need this. I have to delete. And looking closely to this week, I can boldly see this weekly fair value gap. The week just started. I boldly see this weekly fair value gap. So from DXY, from the weekly time frame, I'm expecting a bearish DXY. So I'm expecting DXY to come take out this sell stop liquidity resting below here first. Resting below here first before coming for this one. All right. So going down to the daily, is very clear. From the daily is very clear. This buy stop liquidity here was taken out by this, and price coming back to clear this previous week high. Price coming back to clear this previous week high. So in this, before I do anything, I'll have to stay by the sideline. Today is Monday. We won't really have that much movement in the market today because of bank holidays. So what I want to see on DXY before I go into the chart or before I take any trade will be for price to close below this breaker here. For price to close below this breaker, that's price giving me something like this. Close. Price giving me something like this on dollar index. This is what I'm expecting from dollar index. Price closing below this breaker and probably leaving a gap there. Okay. So on 4 hours, so from 4 hours on Friday, we talked about, I told you guys that I'm expecting price to react from this gap here. To react from this gap, which price actually did, closing below the consequent encroachment. closing below the consequent encroachment, which is a very strong sign for us. After the aggressive move to the upside, price later closed below the consequent encroachment 50% of this candle. Before the drop happened. So basically today I'll just today I'll just be on the sideline for price to give me something really, really attractive before I jump into the market. On price to give me something really, really, really attractive before I jump into the market, and look out for this sell stop liquidity resting below here. Okay, so today being Monday, I'll just have to, just watch. I won't really do anything. I'll just have to sit and watch how this price to give me a clear price delivery before I do anything. There is no need to rush. There is no need to jump into the chart on a Monday morning. It's not my kind of thing. Jumping into the chart on the Monday morning is not my kind of thing. So let's look at Euro USD. I know the funny thing. I saw this movement. As you can see, I marked it. I saw the 30 minutes coming. I saw this 30 minutes inversion and this gap, and I marked. But I have to respect my discipline, and I said I'm not going into any trade on a Monday morning. I said I'm not going into any trade on a Monday morning. So let's start from the Monday. So this is Euro USD on a monthly time frame. We have this buy stop liquidity resting above here. And what else can we see? We have our internal range liquidity, which is our monthly fair value gap. Of our internal range liquidity. Yeah, price really respecting this monthly fair value gap, really respecting this monthly fair value gap. So I'm expecting Euro USD. I'm bullish on Euro USD from the monthly time. I'm bullish on Euro USD. I'm bearish on dollar index. Going down to the weekly time frame. Going down to the weekly time frame, we can see this weekly order block here. Currently holding price. Last 2 weeks closed above. Last week closed above. So this week, I'm expecting this week for us to get that aggressive move this week, right? So this, and secondly, this sell stop liquidity here has been taken out, all happening around the monthly fair value gap. And if you go down to the daily is pretty clear for us. Going down to the daily time frame, you can see that this sell stop liquidity here have been taken out, and price currently reacting off from this daily order block. Price currently reacting off from this daily order block. And looking closely again, we have a failed CB. We have a failed CB that price have already retested. That's where we got our buys from on Friday. That's where we got our buys from on Friday. So first of all, what I'm expecting Euro USD to do before I I know that yes, price has given us a clear price delivery. I'd like to see price close below, sorry, close above this breaker here. Let's see if that is going to happen today. I'd like to see price close above this breaker, and our external range liquidity is going to be this buy stop liquidity resting above here. It's going to be this buy stop liquidity resting above here. I have to level that. Change the color to black. I love black. All right. So on Euro USD, I want to see something like this play out. Continue the up movement. So my first target, if we should get something like this, will be this high. And of course, I want to know how price is going to react from this other block here, this other block. I want to know how price is going to react from this other block. Another close above this other block is a very, very strong confirmation for us. It's a very, very strong confirmation for us. So going down to the 4 hours, going down to the 4 hours, you see how this 4-hour gap held price and still holding price from Friday. So we have this daily inversion here. We have this daily inversion still holding price, and we have this 4-hour holding price too, right? So this move now, this move we are seeing now, I saw this move on the 30 minutes, and I got a confirmation from the 1 minute, but I don't want to go into the trade. I just want to stay and get a clear price delivery before I do anything. Now, let me explain to you guys. 30 minutes last night, 30 minutes last night, I saw this field, CB. I saw this field CB here. I saw this field CB. Price reacted, but eventually breaking off from that CB. Close here. Then when the market opened, I saw a retest into the CB, but I really don't want to go in. And 1 minute gave me a confirmation. 1 minute gave me a confirmation somewhere here. Somewhere here, yeah. So I saw this SMT. Saw this SMT in 1 minute, but you know, I just don't want to I just don't want to do anything until I get a clear price delivery. That's why I didn't take the trade. And moreover, most of you will be sleeping by then because I saw this. My time is in New York. I saw this setup like I think like around 12 or 1 thereabout. Around 12 or 1. I purposely don't want to take the trade. So let's look at, okay, today is Monday, so we have bank holiday today. There is no news today. You can see Monday. There is no news on Monday. Well, let's just do it this way this week. So Monday, nothing. I just have to stay on the sideline because there is no news that which is going to engineer liquidity in the market. So on Tuesday, nothing. Wednesday, we have FOMC meeting, and we have French flash PMI. Wow. On Wednesday, we have French flash PMI. On Thursday, we have Okay, Wednesday we have, Thursday we have French Flash PMI. Thursday we have a whole lot of news on Thursday, and Friday we don't have very high impact news on Friday. So guys, if you're trading this week, I'm just telling you that you just have to be very, very careful. You just have to be very, very careful, because we can see a whole lot of red folders here. You can see plenty red folders here. Okay, and our physical class is still going on at our office, Abia House, 11 a.m. And today will be for the beginners class. Today will be for the beginners class. Monday, Tuesdays will be for the beginners class. But tomorrow we are doing a live session. So if you're in Lagos, tomorrow we'll be doing a live session for the beginners class. We're doing a live session for the beginners class. So you might want to go to our office, to our Lagos office, 54B Agos building, and get the necessary information concerning that. Okay, guys? So see you guys later this night, 8 p.m. And I wish us all a lovely and a wonderful day and a profitable week as well. Okay, guys? So bye and see you later.